unfortunate that last night around 10, we received information from Industrial Police City Division that this young man, Wanamba Jonathan, aka Gavina MC, of course he has been a known or a prominent DJ within Mbale City here. MC in Mbale City here, that she was stabbed by his lover, one Namono Gladin. So Jonathan was rushed to Mbale Referral Hospital after that incident last night, where he was pronounced. Then it all rotates around love affair, because when we went further to unearth more details, they are saying there was some other girl called Sonia who the late had invited in house, and when she came, she found one Namono inside the thing, which allegedly annoyed Namono. They started quarreling, and the deceased instructed her to leave her house, his house, immediately. And thereafter, we were told the scuffle unfold, and the due process. One Namono is suspected to have picked a sharp knife and stabbed the late. When the late was stabbed, the neighbors have told us that they were attracted by the alarm made by Jonathan. They responded to the alarm, and they did what it takes, and he was transported to Mbale Referral Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. But it is unfortunate that such incidents, of course, it remains a big challenge in the Bugisu sub-region, and it's on this note that we are calling all our stakeholders around Bugisu, of course, to continue teaming up with us to see that we intensify sensitization of the families within Bugisu sub-region. Because just last week we had the head of child and family in the Uganda Police Force, SCP Morina Tuhaire. She was here and she visited very many centers, sensitizing the community here on how you can report issues of gender-based violence when they happen. But you see, the situation is all told that still okay. That calls for a serious teamwork so that we can have this challenge addressed. As I speak, the body is pending post-mortem from Mbale Referral City Mortuary, and at the same time, the one Namono Gladin, who is suspected to be behind this murder, she has been arrested, and she's with us in our custody here in Mbale City.